In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a shop on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. And if you are logged in into your account, you'll find a welcome back sentence with your name there, or your username. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account, or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner a sign in option instead of those icons. If you click on it, you will be able to log in into your account, or even to create an account if you don't have one. Of course, you'll be able to do those two options even with your Google account, Facebook account, or even your Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. And trust me, it will be much faster. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here, as we said, with this welcome back sentence. And as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to open your shop or to make a shop on Etsy website to start selling maybe your handmade items or whatever you want to sell. Maybe you're doing drop shipping or whatever. So of course, if you want to do that, simply you'll need to go and click at the top right corner shop manager icon, just the shop icon, and click on it. If you already have an account, you'll find yourself here with this shop dashboard. But of course, if you don't have an account, you'll find a get started option. Click on it and just follow the simple steps of creating or making a shop on Etsy website. Of course, you'll need to provide them with the location, name. You don't need to verify identity, but you'll need a bank account, and of course, you'll need to verify your bank account, set a shop location, shop name, and make some listing or some items, put them in the shop, and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.